Do you fancy using something different to Excel or Google Sheets? I'm going to show you how to build this simple savings tracker using Decipad. Create a new notebook, rename it, and let's get started building. In the new block, type / and input a heading which we'll call income. Now, let's add a table, but this time by using the pane on the right. I'll also call it income. Input the details and change the data types. For the annual amount, click in the first cell and type equals, which will bring up this formula bar. We want the monthly amount column times 12. Then calculate the sum of the annual column here. Now let's do the same thing as we did for income, but for expenses. Next, I'll set up a couple of additional inputs and result widgets. At the top, you can add a new block by pressing this plus. Within the widgets section, add an input, a slider, and a result widget, and rename them. For the input values, Decipad understands different units. So for the savings start balance, I'll enter $1 and then 1000, and I want the balance to save to be a percentage, so I'll type a % symbol and update the max to 100. I'll also move this up while I'm here to make it cleaner. Down at the bottom, I'll create a section for my formula. The first one is the balance of the income and expenses. Second is the savings contribution, which is the balance just calculated multiplied by the balance to save percentage from our slider above. Third is the savings end balance, which is the sum of the previous two calculations. The two last formula are if statements under the advanced formula section to check if there's a surplus or deficit, which I'll use in the next step. Finally, I'll write a paragraph out at the top, then drag and drop my calculations within my text like so, which will fully update if I change any of the values from the inputs below. Pretty neat, hey? Comment yes below and I'll send you the link to the website so you can start creating one yourself.